Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Homemade Indian Food. Today we're going to be making Chawal Kheer.
It's been requested.
It has been requested by multiple people. So we have to thank Venky N, Prateek Argawal, Ramesh Shukla, and Parag Bansod.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you so much for requesting this. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to use to make Chawal Kheer. We have our basmati rice, whole milk, organic sugar, crushed green cardamom pods, ghee, raisins, cashew nuts, and pistachio nuts. That's it for the ingredients. Let's go ahead and get started cooking. We're gonna cook our Chawal Kheer in the Instant Pot today. So all the ingredients are gonna be going into the Instant Pot with the exception of the nuts and the raisins, which we'll do in the kadai later. But we're gonna start off with 1/4 cup of water. And we're gonna put the water in here so that the milk doesn't go directly onto the hot bottom of the pan and burn the milk. Go ahead and add the milk now. And for the Chawal Kheer, we have the Instant Pot set on porridge. So this will be our first time trying out the porridge setting on the Instant Pot. Next, we'll add the rice and the sugar to the Instant Pot. We'll give that a quick stir and then we'll put the lid on and let it start cooking. And we set the time for 16 minutes. Okay, we have the Chawal Kheer cooking in the Instant Pot. Now we'll go ahead and we'll prepare the toppings, the nuts and the raisins for the Chawal Kheer. So we'll take the ghee and we'll add it to the kadai. I have the kadai going over a medium flame. So we'll let the ghee melt down for a second. Then we'll add the cashew nuts and the pistachio nuts. And we'll just toss the nuts for about a minute or so, just until they get a nice light brown on them. Not cook them too much though. So once we get the nuts nice and golden brown, we'll add the raisins. And we'll cook the raisins for about 30 seconds until they really plump up. And then we'll take the entire mixture off of the heat, put them in a bowl, and let them cool down. Okay, we have the nuts a nice golden brown. Now we'll add the raisins. The kheer is finished cooking. We'll go ahead and add the cardamom powder now. And we'll give that a stir. So it's my understanding from the recipe that it's supposed to look this runny right now, and as it cools, it's going to start thickening up. Okay. Looks like someone's ready to put it to the test.
Is it good?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, eat it over your bowl. There you go.
This is called Chawal Kheer. It's a rice pudding. And then you have nuts and raisins right there to add to it.
Oh my goodness.
How's it look?
You want some of these, honey?
Looks good.
And it smells good too. Okay.
So it has fresh cardamom in it.
I can smell it.
Oh my goodness, I know.
It's milk, rice, sugar, cardamom, and a whole lot of love.
That door Jesus so much.
Got really
Very
good
good.
flavor. Yep.
Mm-hmm. Very good.
Good. The nuts and the raisins were roasted in ghee.
Oh my goodness, it looks like.
I know you want somebody. I know.
Oh, where are you going? I got that.
Well, Juliette,
Seems like a hit.
You like it?
What? I know.
can you say thank you, Venky?
Because it's cheese.
Good girl.
More milk.
Okay, when we go in, I'll get you some more. Okay?
So Venky requested not only for me to make this, but for you to eat it.
Yep.
He wanted to see the grandbabies.
You give Mom back.
When we go in, we will, baby.
Is little buddy gonna try some of it?
Mama,
That's up to mommy.
I want to put this in my cup.
Fine.
I want to put this
You
in
don't
my
have to.
cup. Mama, I'm going to put this in my cup, Mommy.
Okay.
Okay, buddy, you gonna try some?
No, I want that cheese.
How's that?
I want to touch this.
He likes it.
Good
I think
job.
He likes it. He's trying to shovel more in.
Yeah, that's so good.
Good job.
I put it in this soup. When I put it, I can't get out.
Is that yummer? You better eat your vegetables now.
Say yes, mommy.
Look.
How's that?
So the only thing that didn't quite turn out on this is the color. For some reason, the color has like a beigeish when it should be white. I'm not sure. I used basmati rice, which is white.
Whoa, careful, baby.
Oh, I can't double.
The organic cane sugar that we used had a bit of a tan to it, but I'm not sure.
what it is. That's probably
Yeah,
what
not
it
sure
is.
that it's enough to make it that tan in color.
I think so. Where are you going? Where are you going?
Okay. I can't.
Say that?
No.
Can you say
I love India. I
Yeah,
Can you say love you, Yash?
No.
Huh?
Mommy.
So you get a picture.
Do you want to try?
Okay.
No.
Say
Well,
love
we
you.
got one of them.
Say love you, Yash.
No.
Oh, good
job.
girl. How about blow a kiss?
Can you blow a kiss? You want to blow a kiss? Huh? You want to blow a kiss or just wave? Just wave. Huh?
Well, shall we say thank you to Venky and Prateek Argawal and Ramesh Shukla and Parag Bansod?
You say thank you?
No.
Yes, you can.
Yes, you can.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Good job.
Good girl, saying thank you. Well, Ashish Kantia, what will we have next?
We don't know yet.
What will it be? Do you know, Juliette?
It's Dawson.
Dawson?
Dawson knows? Only Dawson knows.
Only Dawson knows.
Hi, Dawson.
Well, thank you so much, everyone, for watching. Until next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.